Well, today is May 2nd. I think it's a month since my first update. Garden's going really good. It's really not a garden update today. I'm gonna do a little thing I saw on YouTube of the Epsom salt. All my tomatoes are starting to bloom. A few other things are starting to bloom too, like my cucumbers. Peppers are about to start. Well, they say put 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water. Mix it up till you know it all dissolves. Then you put it in a spray bottle. Once you put in a spray bottle, then you go over to where your tomatoes are blooming. Oh, don't want to squirt it like that. See, my tomatoes are doing really good, even after all the rain we've been having. They say you just missed them. They say it helps set the blooms, and because it's magnesium sulfate, which helps produce the chlorophyll in the plant. Makes the plant a lot greener. They say to spray the whole leaves and wherever it's blooming. It just really just fertilizes the whole plant. So I mean, we'll see. They say also you can put it directly on the roots. So like I said, this is my first go around at it. These are my early girls. Hopefully this isn't doing anything bad, which I don't think it is because I've seen quite a few people do it on YouTube. A couple more blooms over here. Got quite a few on this. This is the beefsteak. Get it in the tops where the fresh leaves will be growing for all the newer ones. Got my cherry tomatoes are starting to bloom also. Put a couple marigolds in here, you know. I've heard that it keeps aphids away, and my okra's already had a pretty bad experience with aphids. But we'll see how it works. And we got some big old blooms on my cucumber. My okra's getting up there. My squash, got some more marigolds over there. Might as well go ahead and do an update of everything. Trying not to really walk in the garden because it's pretty wet right now. Peppers, got a bloom down there. I'm already running out of solution over here. Oh, I had to kill a bad bug. There's another bloom. I believe that's my yellow bell pepper. And my habanero. I pruned it, and I believe it's going to get really thick. We'll go around. Now I think I'm going to start germinating all my squash. These are my yellow squash right here. I planted these in the ground at the same time I planted these in the cup. As you can tell, those are quite a bit larger. My potatoes over there going really good. Got my mammoth jalapenos. My corn going real good. Got my onions bulbing up real nice. You can look at those bulbs. I mean, that's my hand. And they're getting there. Red onions aren't doing as good, but As long as I've got my yellow ones. Another cucumber I moved out of the big garden because it was getting too thick with them. Moved another one right there. And a watermelon right there. Kind of let the cucumbers do the thing up this chain link. Okra inside, my onions aren't doing too good. Looks like something's eating them pretty good. Not sure what it is. Got another transplanted watermelon right there. Really getting a little too thick with stuff, but anybody that gardens knows how that is. You always want to make the garden bigger. But yeah, that's about it. Everything's coming along real good. Like I said, blooms are going. Onions are bulbing. Like I said, I've got some of my red onions doing alright. That one's looks like it's bulbing up a little bit. That one right there. But like I said, nothing like my yellow onions. But yeah, it's coming along nice. Got my black diamond right there. Black diamond watermelon. Hopefully it produces. I don't even have it on a hill. But we'll see. It was just kind of a trial and error thing anyway. But as you can tell, since my first update, things are definitely coming along. I put those tomato cages around my cucumbers. I honestly don't think they're near big enough. Those cucumbers haven't even, they're just spitting blooms right now and they're already halfway up it. At least that middle one is. Now all my okra. Put those marigolds right in there by the okra. Like I said, because they've already had a pretty bad experience with aphids this year. And like I said, my yellow squash. Next time you see the update, there will be fruit.